Welcome to our YouTube channel. Get ready for captivating stories that will spark your imagination and warm your heart. Today, we present The Lion and the Mouse, a tale of friendship. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to join our story-loving community. Let's embark on this adventure together. Once upon a time, in a lush and vibrant jungle, there lived a mighty lion named Leo. Leo was the king of the jungle, feared by all the animals. He roared so loud that it could be heard from miles away. But despite his strength, Leo was often lonely. One sunny morning, while Leo was taking a nap under a shady tree, a tiny mouse named Mia scurried by. Mia was a kind and gentle mouse, always helping her fellow creatures. She saw Leo sleeping and thought he looked majestic, even in his slumber. She decided to explore the massive lion's mane, thinking it might be soft and comfortable for a home. Mia climbed up Leo's mane, exploring the wavy fur, when she accidentally tickled his ear. Leo awoke with a mighty roar and snatched Mia in his enormous paw. Mia trembled but bravely looked up at the lion and said, "Please, Mr. Lion, spare my life. I'm just a small mouse. I mean no harm." Leo paused for a moment, considering the tiny mouse in his paw. He realized that Mia was harmless, and he could show kindness. With a warm smile, Leo released Mia, saying, "You're right, little one. I should not harm someone as small and kind as you. Thank you for awakening me without fear." Mia sighed in relief and replied, "Thank you, Mr. Lion. I promise that one day, I will return your favor." Leo chuckled and let her go, and Mia quickly scurried away, true to her word. Weeks passed, and one day, Leo found himself trapped in a hunter's net. He struggled, roared, and tried to break free, but the net was too strong. The more he fought, the more entangled he became. Mia heard the lion's cries for help and remembered her promise. She rushed to the scene and saw the trapped lion. Without hesitation, she began gnawing on the net's ropes. It took her a long time, but her determination paid off, and the net was finally torn. Leo was free, and he looked down at Mia with gratitude in his eyes. "You've saved my life, Mia," he said. "I will never forget your kindness." From that day on, Leo and Mia became the best of friends. They spent their days together, Leo's strength and Mia's nimbleness complementing each other perfectly. Leo's roar, once feared, was now heard as a call for help and a symbol of the unlikeliest friendship in the jungle. And so, the story of the lion and the mouse teaches us that even the mightiest of creatures can be helped by the smallest, and true friendship knows no bounds, making it one of the most heartwarming tales of the jungle.
Did you enjoy the story of The Lion and the Mouse? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing